Mr. Eddie Barber, and I'm back with another video today. I have just received a new box. We're going to find out what's inside it. These are magnetic cards. Well, I gotta say, the boxing and the way they put this together is really nice. And these are magnetic guards. Both of them are cordless. So yeah, let's do some unboxings. Let it go. Let's see what this thing does.
Where's it on?
Okay, that's actually a good question. Comes with guards. We have a little stand.
It's a good looking clipper.
And of course your little brush. I have to say, I did not expect to get them so fast either. But man, these things feel good. They're small, they're slim in the hand. You could tell they got a lot of weight to them, a lot of power to them. The blade clicks. Looks like it could be zero gapped. That top blade is super, super thin.
Yeah, it sure is.
I bet these things are gonna cut great.
Let me see.
Let's see what they look like. Ooh!
Quiet.
I gotta be honest, I feel like they got a whole lot of heat here. Check them out.
Can you put different blades?
Of course.
Oster blades?
No.
Huh?
No, it's not a detachable. It's
Oh, it's just a plastic.
I'm gonna put those ones on there.
It's a nice clipper.
And so yeah, I'm like really excited to try that thing out. That thing feels like it's got a real premium quality to it.
Quiet.
It's like whisper quiet. I'm gonna give you guys a couple clips of me using it here in a minute. Here's the other one. This here's the 357 Magnum.
That heavier or what?
Feels like it's about of the same kind of caliber, if you will. Let's see what we get with this one. That's pretty cool.
That's top shelf.
Wow, you get nice like premium red guards with it and everything. And you get a half guard, 1/16. Charger is really small, which is awesome because so many times there's like giant chargers you gotta plug in. And it comes in its own little pouch. Look at that.
Oh, baby.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Gold and everything.
Right on.
All right, I think they're trying to warn me that this one they want you to charge before you try to turn it on.
Yeah.
It's really
44 Magnum.
man, this blade looks
44 Magnum.
look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got markings. It says 0.5 millimeter when it's all the way closed. Basically, there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4 settings. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up so we can use it in a little bit. I'll let you guys know how long it takes to charge them.
I like this one.
But I gotta say, this 50 cal feels like a brick. Like I could probably break a window with this
Holy
thing.
shit, is this light?
That one's light. Yeah, I mean, if you're comparing the 357 Magnum to the 50 cal, I guess if you were talking about real guns, you'd probably be right on the money with it. The 50
Probably
cal would be a
goes
whole
further.
lot heavier than it.
Probably goes further.
These seem to be of pretty good quality too. I guess the big question here is, will this magnetic guard fit on my wall? So let's check that out right now. It's all dirty. I'm in the middle of a work day here and this thing came in. I'll be damned. And you're telling me I'm just now finding out that there's magnetic guards for the wall? Wow. It really is. It's magnetic guards that will fit the wall. And it looks like I got a half. On number 1, this half guard is actually really nice. Look how nice and long the teeth are. You can pick up a lot of hair in those. I didn't even realize this was the half. This is number 1. And we got these right up to a number 4. So that's pretty cool. Huh. They fit. They fit quite well.
Hey, how'd you like that article I gave you? Yeah. It's over there. Oh, it's over there. I see it.
I can't wait to try to cut with these.
It's just what we were talking about.
I'm gonna zero gap them. No. Well, that took all of 2 seconds. Now we gotta plug in the 357. So let's get this thing ready to go. This one doesn't have a stand, it just plugs in. It's a lot like the Envy. It's got the feel of the, it's got kind of like the feel of the wall, some of the wall cordless clippers, maybe the Magic Clip. All right, so yeah, I think that's why they put the wrapping around there. These things are coming with the red line. Obviously they're dead, and I'm not gonna turn these on until they get a full charge. So I'm just gonna leave those ones be, but it seems like the 50 cals are like ready to go. Like they're not even, you got this little light here that was on when I first plugged it in, which it was only in there for 2 seconds, and it's already, I guess, fully charged. So, okay, so these are the guards that come with the 50 cal. Let's have a look at these. I wasn't even gonna open these because they sent me a set of magnetic guards, but look, they give you magnetic guards with the 50 cal. How cool is that? And also fits, this is a wall 1 1/2. It fits on there great. It snaps right in. And let's see if this double magnetic fit. Nope. And this double magnetic does not fit. I imagine and this single magnetic probably would, but who needs that when you got all this? But the red guards they sent me are pretty dope too. I'm gonna have fun with these. The way the light comes in, it just kills the camera.
When he did, he got like a little light thing, and he put it on the side, so that way he can have the light all the time. I'll show you his page once I'm done.
Pulling your hair or anything?
No, sure.
Got thick hair too.
Yeah.
So I figured this would be like
leads on bald stuff.
a great test for this, I figured.
Yeah. So you just never know. Hey.
And the Green Mile. Another great Stephen King book. Pet Sematary, The Shining, Misery. Okay, you guys, I've been testing these out. I've been using them. It's been a ton of fun. I want to put a big thank you out there to the Caliber Clipper Company for sending me these. And I hope that our relationship continues to grow. And beyond that, you guys are going to have to stay tuned for the review, and I'll be doing an in-depth review on both the 50 cal and the 357, and I'm supposed to be getting some other products in soon. So subscribe if you're not already. If that interests you, that's your thing, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.